Why do leaders need to be great at communication? That's a good question. And why that is because leaders should be going to their team rather than their team having to come to them and have conversations. You need to meet your team where they're at, where they're comfortable speaking with who they are rather than them having to adapt to you. Unfortunately, a lot of leaders, especially the old school leaders, are ones that tend to expect their employees to adapt to their personality and their leadership style. And yes, you have a leadership style, and that's a little bit different than your own personality. But when it comes to communication, you as the leader need to be the one to communicate with your employee in the way that they need to be communicated with, not the way that I or you want to be communicated with. So you as the leader need to be the best communicator on your team for that reason.